2015 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter LTZ. What we got done for it on it for you guys today, it's got the stock converters there, and these ones come with a third converter right there. We cut out the muffler and did a 3-inch pipe in its place and continued it out. We left the resonator, he didn't want it too loud and obnoxious, into a 5-inch tip right there. Double wall metal. If you guys want that tip, you can see the description and the link in the description. Came out really nice, clean look. That's how you do a muffler delete on these Chevy Tahoe. Muffler deleted and leave the resonator. Those tips always look really good on those cars. Oh, yeah. There's that massive muffler right, it's not coming up, right there.
Inside this 2015 Tahoe, let you guys hear it. Just did a muffler delete. Not too loud, but deep tone.